If you want to make friends with animals, go into their space or into a space that they can access and just hang out. I come outside a lot to just sit with my animals, mostly my horses. I come and sit there and I journal in my book, and sometimes they come over to my chair, sometimes they don't. Today I was just out sitting on the lawn, and the next thing I knew, my chickens were just coming right on over. So as soon as you sit outside doing a passive activity like journaling or reading a book, or you could be sketching, you will attract animals to you. I have had deer come right up next to my chair. I've had little twin fawns come right near me, lots of birds. And so as soon as you are out there, then the animals start feeling like they can trust you because you're part of their space, but you're not doing anything. And the next thing you know, you'll be attracting all sorts of creatures to you. And good luck with that. If you've enjoyed this video, then I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel or like it and share it on Facebook with your friends. Go ahead, try sitting outside and see if you notice animals coming right up to you. And I'd love to hear about what kind of animals did come up to you and what happened. So thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.